The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain temporary child support and temporary spousal maintenance orders in Illinois. The purpose of both of these types of orders is to provide for the needs of the requesting party until a final hearing can be held on the merits, at which point both parties will present evidence and make their argument. But that can take a while because there's usually discovery that's exchanged back and forth. There might be a deposition. It can take some time before you finally get a final child support or final spousal maintenance order, and we want to make sure that the person who needs this money to survive is getting it during the pendency of the divorce case, or at least that's the policy behind this. In order to get temporary spousal maintenance or temporary child support, you have to file a motion accompanied by a form financial affidavit that states your income and expenses and other financial information. The motion will be accompanied by documentary evidence that supports the facts that you're stating in the motion, such as tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements. These are generally decided without a hearing, so it's called a summary decision. So the courts will take the motion and the response to the motion from each party and look at the documents that have been submitted, and then they will determine how much to award in temporary child support or temporary spousal maintenance without an oral argument or hearing about that matter. If the court decides that a party intentionally or recklessly filed an inaccurate or misleading financial affidavit, the court will penalize them with sanctions, which will include the other party's attorney's fees and court costs. When deciding on the amount of spousal maintenance or child support to award on a temporary basis, courts are not required to follow statutory guidelines. They basically analyze the facts on a case-by-case basis and will base their decision on how much to award on each party's needs, the needs of the children, the standard of living during the marriage, and the respondent's ability to pay. So there's a lot of wiggle room and discretion for the courts. They're not bound by statutory guidelines. Unlike for the final orders, they will be generally required to follow statutory guidelines unless they have a reason to deviate. The temporary order does not impact the final order regarding either child support or spousal maintenance. So you're not going to use what was awarded in the temporary order as a baseline or evidence in determining what the final order is going to say. It's just a temporary stopgap. It doesn't impact the final amount that will be awarded. The temporary order will terminate when the final order is entered or when the dissolution case is dismissed. It can be terminated or modified during the pendency of the case by a motion by either party with supporting financial affidavits. So that's what you need to know about temporary child support and temporary spousal maintenance. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, and Apple Podcasts. Getting used to saying that after iTunes has gone away. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.